Okay, we are now ready for part 2 of our test structure build. In this case, we have 2 sides, and this one I'm going to build without the top, and I'll explain how you do the top in a second. But in this one, we are going to use our pins and make the top and bottom separately without building an entire separate one. For this, we're going to use some aids. We have these metal blocks you're going to find in the back of the classroom and magnets that go with them. And what we're going to do, before we do that, I should point out that my sides are not quite perfectly aligned. One is a little bit bigger than the other. You're going to find that's going to be the case in almost every it's just an artifact of building something like this. So if I line up one side, you can see that this side is about 3 millimeters, maybe 1/8 of an inch longer than this one. Okay, so what we're going to do to build up our structures, we're going to take our block, we're going to set it our side on the ground next to it, and take a magnet, and we're going to attach the magnet through the structure to the steel block. And now our structure is perfectly square, 90 degrees from the table, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to take the other one, and we're going to attach it. Now, quick tip for you is you're going to want, you know how magnets attract and repel. You're going to want the magnets to repel each other. So choose the side where they will repel each other, and make sure it's on the ground. So it's ground. Make sure this line is on the ground. And now we're going to line them up. Get ready to take this out of the way. We'll line them up as best we can. We'll take a little bit of glue. Okay. I like to just put a little bit of glue on the side and use that instead of pouring it out. And then what I'll do, I'll dip one side, dip the other, and set them down. Okay. All right, we will then dip one side, dip the other, do our back top. Okay. Sometimes it messes up. It's okay. Patience is a virtue in this in this area. Okay. And then we'll do the front. We're just going to rest it on top of there and there. Again, it's not going to line up perfectly because my my two sides are not lined up perfectly. And that's okay in this case. We want to do the best we can, but it's not always going to be perfect. Entirely possible this one is a little bit longer than it should be. So let's set that one in. Okay. Make them roughly square. And we'll do this one again. Also possible that bottom one is short, but we can make it work. Something like this is going to be making it work, and that's engineering. Making things work is just engineering. So you can see we have our top, we have our sides together, and they will end up being perfectly square. Now, this is one way to build it. The other way is using the top. You'll do all of this minus the sides, glue up the top and lay it down flat onto the two sides. That is a much easier way of doing it. I'm not, correction, that is a much easier way of doing that portion. However, it brings in its own complications, which when you start building it, you'll see. Okay, good luck. Thank you.